Can I negotiate a repair estimate? Have you ever wondered if you can negotiate a repair estimate when filing an auto insurance claim? You are not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation after an accident. Understanding how to navigate this process can save you money and ensure your vehicle is repaired properly. When you file an auto insurance claim, an insurance adjuster will assess the damage to your vehicle. They will provide an initial repair estimate that outlines the costs for parts and labor needed to restore your vehicle to its pre-accident condition. This estimate is based on the adjuster's assessment and the information provided by the repair shop. If you disagree with the initial estimate, you have the right to negotiate. First, gather any evidence or documentation that supports your case. This could include photographs of the damage, estimates from different repair shops, or even expert opinions. Presenting this information can help justify your position. You can also work closely with your repair shop. Many repair shops are experienced in negotiating with insurance companies. They can advocate on your behalf, explaining why certain repairs are necessary and how they impact the overall cost. This collaboration can be beneficial in reaching a fair agreement. If negotiations do not lead to a satisfactory outcome, you might consider an independent appraisal. This involves hiring a neutral third party to assess the damage and provide a separate estimate. This can help resolve disputes between you and the insurance company. In some cases, arbitration may be an option if negotiations fail. This is a formal process where a neutral party makes a binding decision regarding the claim. It is important to check your insurance policy to understand your rights and the procedures available to you. Remember, the goal is to ensure that your vehicle is repaired properly without incurring unnecessary costs. By understanding the auto insurance claims process and knowing your rights, you can effectively negotiate a repair estimate. Working closely with your repair shop and being prepared with evidence can make a significant difference in the outcome of your claim.